Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be about this hair that I have been wearing now. I've been wearing it now for a week, and this hair is by Bella Pella Boutique. So Bella Pella Boutique has an Instagram, and I'll link all their social networks in the description bar below for you guys. But this is the hair, and it's their Cambodian wavy. Now I'm going to insert a clip of me showing you how I got the hair, the packaging, and of course an unboxing. But what I forgot to put in the clip, you guys, was the actual bundles, so forgive me for that. So I did curl my hair with my NUME 3-in-1 curler. This is the Titan 3, and I have a discount code in the description bar for you guys if you want to purchase any other ones. But this hair is like Cambodian hair by Bella Pella Boutique. Excuse my brain. I was curling this hair and I was like, no, I won't be able to. I won't be able to. I just stopped halfway curling the hair, and now I'm making this video. So this is their wavy hair, so curls do last in it. Now I'm going to talk about the cons, and I'm going to talk about the pros. Yeah, this hair is that it sheds, right? So I'm still experiencing shedding. I washed it. I really hope my edge is looking cute in this video. So I washed it, but I'm still getting shedding from it. And it's not like, you know, oh, I can do it like it sheds. When I was curling this hair, it was shedding. So if you want to prevent the shedding, you can go ahead and seal the wefts. But because I do reviews, I don't like to take any extra steps so that I don't, you know, like, don't get certain things like I don't get shedding, I don't get this, I don't get that. I don't take those extra steps. The only extra step I've taken is if I decided to put the hair on a wig cap. That's the only extra step that you see me take. But yeah, so this hair does shed. And does it shed a lot? I would say it sheds like medium. When I'm working with it, it sheds. If I'm brushing it out, straightening it, if I'm brushing it out and straightening it, I do get shedding. Brushing it out, curling it, I do get shedding. But when I'm just walking about my day-to-day life, it doesn't shed at all. You understand? So when I'm styling the hair, it sheds. But after I'm done styling, no shedding at all. I don't see hair like on me just like, oh gosh, hair not flying off into people's faces on the road. Like, it's not that serious. But I do get shedding whenever I'm styling the hair. So I thought I had to let you guys know. In terms of if the curl lasts or not, the curls in this hair does last. Okay, so the longest I've probably held a curl in was probably a day. So I curl this today, then I probably wrap it up tonight, and then tomorrow I let it out and wrap it up or probably like wrap it up and put on my stocking cap and then tie it down, and then tomorrow I'd let it down and then probably some finger combing and stuff, no extra curls or nothing, and then I can go on the road like that. It falls to a nice wave. Then the following day, you know, it may get a little bit weak and so on and so forth. So I mean, curls do last like a day or two. And whenever styling my hair, I don't use like styling products that makes the hair like curls last. So I don't use anything that for curl preservation. I don't spray anything in the hair. So if you should do that, then definitely the curls will last longer for you than they did for me. I cushion this behind me. They'll last longer for you than they did for me. But all in all, my overall yes, tangling, it does have tangling to at the back, and whenever I'm combing it out, I do get tangling. I get tangling at the back mostly, not at the top. So I would say for the longer lengths is where I get the tangling, and I think the longest length I have is a 22. So for the 22 I do get tangling. For the 22, for the 20 to 22 I do get tangling for that bundle. So the longest length is 22, and I do get tangling just on the bottom bundle. What else? I love the luster of the hair. I co-washed it last night. Forgive this, as I tell you, I curl like half the hair and just put it to the side. I was like, no, I'm done, I'm sweating, it's hot, I can't even have on the fan. I'm done, I'm done. So yeah, so for the luster, I love the luster of the hair. It just looks so nice and natural. I don't have to put no oils in it. At first, when I first got the hair, I thought it would have been high maintenance because it just always felt dry to me. But after I co-washed it, which means I just wash it with some conditioner, after I did that, then it was fine. After I did that, then I was good to go, basically. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. I really don't have anything else to say. If throughout my Instagram, you know, I'll give you a little updates on my Instagram. My Instagram is Rochester, so I'll give you some updates on my Instagram, and I'll link everything for Bella Boutique in the description bar below. What I love is I forgot the name, but it has like cashmere or something like that, and it's this curly hair. I'm like, bruh, dang, this is up on my Instagram. So if you follow my Instagram, then you've already seen that hair. Please follow them on their social networks as well. I'll link that in the description bar below. And yeah, I'm done with my Superman brows and and my Bella Cambodian wavy hair. So I will keep you guys updated, and I'll just add, oh, and I'm a NUME affiliate now, you guys. So you know, when you see my codes, do shop from it, because you know you help the girls out. Okay, you be helping us out when you shop using my codes. You get discounts that I'm being helped out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so that's basically it. If I left anything out, I'll link it in the description bar below. Bye guys.